With our store's core functionality complete, we need to give users a way to check out and pay for their items. Over the next several videos, we'll be working through the last 4 user stories in the purchasing and checkout category, using Stripe to allow secure payments and sending email confirmation for completed purchases. This will also prepare us to complete the final user stories in the registration and user accounts category. We'll start by allowing anonymous checkout, but after the checkout app is complete, we'll create user profiles so users can store their checkout information and even look up a personal order history. Let's begin by creating a new app, Checkout, and adding it to our installed apps. We're going to dive right into the models here since we'll need them to create and track orders for anyone who makes a purchase. I'll create a class called Order here and then paste in some fields which we'll review. The majority of these are straightforward character fields, most of which are required. Postcode and county will not be required as those components don't exist in every country. We're also using the Auto Now Add attribute on the date field, which will automatically set the order date and time whenever a new order is created. And the last 3 fields will be calculated using a model method whenever an order is saved. One last key thing in this model is the editable equals false attribute on the order number field. We're going to automatically generate this order number and we'll want it to be unique and permanent so users can find their previous orders. So the order model will handle all orders across the store, but it's going to be related to another model, order line item. A line item will be like an individual shopping bag item, relating to a specific order and referencing the product itself, the size that was selected, the quantity, and the total cost for that line item. The basic idea here is when a user checks out, we'll first use the information they put into the payment form to create an order instance, and then we'll iterate through the items in the shopping bag, creating an order line item for each one, attaching it to the order, and updating the delivery cost, order total, and grand total along the way. On the order line item model, there's a foreign key to the order with a related name of line items, so when accessing orders, we'll be able to make calls such as order.lineitems.all and order.lineitems.filter. There's also a foreign key to the product for this line item so that we can access all the fields of the associated product as well. The product size is a simple 2-character char field, which will be extra small, small, medium, large, or extra large, and we're allowing that to be null and blank since there are some products with no sizes. Finally, we have the quantity and line item total fields, which are both required, though the line item total is not editable since it'll be automatically calculated when the line item is saved. We'll need some imports here at the top, starting with UUID, which will be used to generate the order number. We'll also need the sum function from Django.db.models, and our settings module from Django.conf, and of course the product, since the order line item model has a foreign key to it.